This is Scarborough Fair, made famous by Simon and Garfunkel in the 60s. It's an old folk song. Key of D minor. Broken chords for the most part in the left hand. It's a dotted rhythm against straight quarters. Here the chord changes. Repeat, your left hand stays there. Only the right hand goes up an octave. And they're introducing, they say, the new dynamic sign of pianissimo, which is two P's. Very soft. And so that's it. You have the broken chords in the left hand on a D minor, on a C, back to D minor, then it goes to the, if you were to do a minor chord progression, like, but that's in piano 3, the 4 chord is the G major chord here. Actually, it would be this. But they have a major 4 chord, so it's the B natural. Comes back to this chord, and then it goes down to an F, the third line down, second major. So it's, you have to change the finger on the F to the second finger, and then it does a melodic line that harmonizes with the melody of the right hand. And then it's back to your C major chord, and then D minor, C major, D minor. Okay? The right hand, that's a 5-finger position. Then you have to stretch to your second finger here. Kind of brings your hand up as your thumb follows to this position over the 5 keys here, G instead of here. And then you're going to stay here. Now you have to do this either 2, 1, 3, 2, or they say to switch to your third finger there if you follow the fingering in the music. But you do want to keep it as legato as possible. You can't do this legato because it's the same note. So you can play 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, or as they say, 2, switch to 3 there, and then cross over here. But try not to go to break the melodic line. Keep it legato. And then the last part, you also have a crossover there. It's a very beautiful song. It needs pedal, but you can do it without pedal if you do not have a sustained pedal. And I will subsequently be teaching a lesson on how to use the sustained pedal. But for right now, you can play it without pedal. And that's about all there is to this piece. It's, again, the melody's in the right hand and the accompaniments in the left hand, so even though there's one dynamic marking of piano, or mezzo piano or whatever, your right hand is going to be louder than your left hand at all times. So the left hand is very soft. Even though it's mezzo piano, you want what we call a singing tone. Like more weight on this hand than this hand. Okay?